Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with another question series on angle and measurements, angle and its measurements. Express the following angles in degrees. Our first sum is 5 pi by 12 radian. Second is minus 7 pi by 12 radian. Third is 8 radian. Fourth is 1 by 3 radian. Fifth is 5 pi by 7 radian. Sixth is minus 2 pi by 9 radian. Seventh is minus 7 pi by 24 radian. We are going to see how to convert the following radian into degrees. Here the conversion factor from radian to degrees is given radian, that is example 5 pi by 12 radian is equal to 5 pi by 12 into 180 divided by pi, and this, after multiplying this, it gets directly converted into degrees, and hence here it is 75 degrees after calculation. Our next sum is minus of 7 pi by 12 radian, that will be equal to minus 7 pi by 12 into 180 by pi. This pi will get cancelled, and 12 ones are and 15s are, and this pi will get cancelled. 7 into 15, that is negative of 105 degrees, as this is having minus sign. Now our next sum is 8 radian. If you see this symbol, this is the radian symbol and this is degree symbol. Whenever you see this radian symbol, you have to convert, for conversion you have to directly multiply by 180 by pi, whatever be the case. So here 180 by into 8 is equal to 144 0 divided by pi, that is 1440 divided by pi degrees. Now it is get converted into degree. Similarly, our next sum is 1 by 3 radian is equal to 1 by 3 into 180 by pi, that will be equal to 3 ones are and 3 6 and 0s are, so 60 by pi degrees. Never forget to give this symbol of degree, otherwise this you will get less marks. Now our next sum is 5 pi by 7 radian, that is equal to 5 pi by 7 into 180 by pi, that will give us 128.57 degrees approximately. Please check and comment for this answer. Now our next sum is 2 pi by 9 radian, that will be equal to negative of 2 pi by 9 into 180 by pi. Therefore 9 ones are and 9 twos are, and then again 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore 40 degrees, which with negative sign. And our last sum is negative of 7 pi by 24 radian, that is equal to negative of 7 pi by 24 into 180 by pi, that will be equal to, this pi will get cancelled and we will get approximately value to 52.5 degrees. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Please check for this question and this question and comment me whether it is right or wrong. Thank you.